is Kailash Gandhi, and I'm the director of Treesome and the producer of Treesome.
Hi, I'm Suresh Menon, and I'm an actor, of course.
Hi, I'm Sarang Patwardhan.
हेलो मेरा नाम साहिब है.
Hi, I'm Devyani Dagaukar and I'm playing Anika in our short film Threesome.
Treesome was actually a concept which I thought it was actually a conversation I was having with someone, and we were just talking about what would it be कि अगर एक पैरेलल यूनिवर्स होता और उस यूनिवर्स के लोग कैसे होते और लोग कैसे बिहेव करते एंड इट वाज जस्ट बेसिकली उनकी एग्जिस्टेंस का क्या मतलब है. What is their existence? See, usually what happens is like we are social animals. As humans, we are social animals. So उनके लाइफ में भी ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? So it is just a fun conversation we were having, and I thought why not make a short film just to express that thought. I thought कि थोड़ा dark हो सकता है ये topic. Then let's make it into a dark comedy. I just thought कि उस thought को भी डाल दें और उसमें थोड़ी सी अगर मैं comedy डाल दूँ, डार्क कॉमेडी डाल दूँ तो थोड़ा वो इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाएगा टॉपिक. दैट्स हाउ ट्रीसम वाज बॉर्न.
When Kailash Gandhi called me up for this film, and he said it's a short film. पहले तो मैं film actor हूँ, तो I thought कि बड़ी film है. But he said it's a short film and it's a very interesting one. And Kailash told me the story, and I quite loved it. And it is such a beautifully titled short film, and the way it pans out is so beautiful. I immediately said yes.
Okay, the title says it all. It's threesome, it makes you think, it makes you wonder what is it all about. And when I read the story, I was just mind blown. I was like, oh my god, okay, this is where the story went. This is perfect. This is what I would like to do. So yes.
I actually got to know about this film from my writer friend Sahib. He had written this film, and I thought it was a really, really interesting and a quirky idea. Okay, so when you read it, you don't understand what it is about, but slowly as you watch the film, the big reveal kind of does surprise you. So that was one of the reasons I wanted to do this.
ये फिल्म जो है ट्रीसम, इसका आइडिया लेके जब मिस्टर कैलाश गांधी से मेरी मीटिंग हुई तो आई वॉज ट्रूली वेरी एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि फिल्म के अंदर एक बहुत ही क्वर्कीनेस है, बहुत ही अलग तरह की वैकीनेस है और एक बहुत अच्छा, बहुत लाइवली मैसेज है जिस फिल्म के एंड में आता है.
Actually, I sat with my writer Sahib, who actually also acted in the film. He's the fourth guy in the red car who they eventually get as a fourth Ludo player. And we were chatting. He introduced me to this very interesting couple, Devyani and Sarang. Very sweet couple, great actors. They are theatre actors, and when I met them, I knew they are going to be my Anika and Rohan. Suresh is a brilliant actor, as everyone knows. He is a great comedian, and for me, it was a no-brainer to get Suresh on board. And I just did some readings with three of them, Sarang, Suresh, and Devyani. And they just hit it off, and it was magic on screen. I just had so much fun shooting it. There was no tension. They were all rehearsed very, very well. We shot this film from 7 in the morning till 4:35 in the evening, and it was done.
KG called up and said we have to do this. I said yes, I'm doing it, and I'm looking forward to doing more with him because he's a wonderful director and he's a very shant person on the sets. Yeah, so I loved the story. I knew KG very well, and I was very happy to be a part of this project.
I think it was one of the best shooting experiences ever for me, and everything was perfect. Everything was on time, everything was planned very well. Everybody came together in synchronicity and made this wonderful piece of work which we call Threesome.
I met KG, the director of the film. I hadn't worked with him before, so I got to meet him right during this film. And he's one of the nicest human beings you can ever meet. The peaceful nature that he has and the calm and composed demeanor that he has really sets the tone on the set, and that's why we had a great experience shooting this film, because as you know, the right energy starts at the top, and because our director, our captain of the ship, was so calm, composed and so nice, not a shouter, not a screamer, we had a great time shooting this film.
ट्रीसम में एक्चुअली रोड ब्लॉक्स कुछ नहीं थे. बेसिकली बजट का इशू था, तो आई somehow put in my own money because I really believed in the project, and I thought फिल्म तो अच्छी बनाऊंगा. And so I just experimented and it turned out well, I think. आप बताइए. The target audience is actually anybody. I don't like to put any kind of sleaze or any kind of language that nobody can relate to. So I think it's for all age groups. Actually, the film turned out better than I imagined. All thanks to the writer, the actors, my DOP, my music guy, music director Piyush, and the editor. Everybody just worked hard. I could just see my film, shaping up so well. Thank you, everybody. Thanks to everybody in my crew.
और फिल्म का कास्ट मिस्टर सुरेश मेनन, उनको मैं एक्टिंग करते हुए देखते हुए मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हिलेरियस गाइज टू बी अराउंड ऑन अ फिल्म सेट. और देवयानी एंड सारंग, जिनको मैं उनके थिएटर के दिनों से जानता हूँ, उनके बहुत सारे प्लेज मैंने देखे हैं, लेकिन पहली बार हम सब एक सेट पे थे, एक साथ शूट कर रहे थे. एंड आई हैव वर्क विद मिस्टर कैलाश गांधी फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स, टीवी शोज के लिए, रियलिटी इवेंट्स के लिए, बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शंस के लिए, बट पहली बार मुझे मौका मिला उनके साथ एक फिल्म को लिखने का और उसे शूट करने का. इट वॉज अ truly rewarding experience. We had a lot of fun and we hope that we win the film festival. Thank you.
My co-stars, wow. It's always a pleasure working with young people, and Sarang and Devyani, oof, a bundle of talent, bundle of energy. It was so much fun shooting with them. Devyani is a well-known voiceover artist. Sarang is a wonderful artist in his own right, and it was a coming together of a different era. I think I come from the other side of the century almost, and यहाँ पर ये दो बच्चे लोग मेरे साथ, I really had a good time with them, and they're willing to improvise. And of course there's Varun also in this movie. I think the three of us had a great time jamming, chatting nonsense, and also watching out for snakes.
I hope everybody loves this film. And I want to thank everybody, right from my DOP Shodhan, Prashant Sharma, my production manager, my editor Sanjeev Sachdeva, and my background music guy Piyush Kanoja, who's a very dear friend, very old friend. And last but not the least, I want to thank Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival for this selection, because it's an honor. It's truly an honor, and I hope we win. That will inspire us to create more content. And thank you so much for this election. And let's hope we win. Fingers crossed.